Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to see how we can perfectly do what? Insert a picture into a shape. And some other guys will call it PowerClip. Some other guys will call it clipping marks. Nobody is wrong there. So let's get into it. Now the first thing I like to do is to get my shapes ready. So let me hide this and you can see that my shapes are ready. These are different shapes that we are going to do what? Insert pictures into or do power clipping or clipping marks. Alright. Now the concept behind it is that you will crop the picture according to the shape you have. That is just a simple thing to do and you will get it. You crop the picture according to the shape you have. Now, but the thing here is that we have circle, and that is the only thing that is different here. But remember that mathematically speaking, that if a circle, if you use a measurement of a square, and you can use it to create a circle that can as well fit into it. This is what we call inscribing a circle into a square, all right, or into any shape. So when you are going to do the one for the circle, you will just, if you look around the border that's around this circle, this circle, you see that it is square. So when you are cropping the picture for this circle too, you keep it square. All right. Now let's proceed. I would like to take this man first and then go to texture, because that is the only tool that allows us to do that. And then select this and click on this lady here, because this is what I want to use in working. And then remember that I said that whenever you have something like this, that you are going to crop it according to the shape you have. Here we have square, so if we are cropping this, we have to crop it in form of a square. All right, now we have different sizes here, different presets, so any one you want, but for different shapes. All right, now I like to take this one, okay, but this is because this is a square, and then I will resize it from here and take it to this place. See what I'm doing now? Make sure that the square you use in cropping it is equal to the square that is there. You might be asking, how am I going to know? Just make sure that everything is all together. So now if you click here, you see that this man here is locked. So if I click here, it will unlock. That means I have access to pull this from here to here. All right, now undo. Sorry, that is not undo. Cancel so that I can do it again. Click here and then get the picture in again. All right, now let's do this again. Select this one, and I don't need to click here again, because I will just need to drag from here, so that I will not waste time trying to achieve this square, because if you drag from here, everything reduces equally. So after that, just make sure everything is okay. After that, you just click this and then you have it. Very, very easy. The same thing applies to this man here. You also do the same thing. Texture, select, and then find the picture that you want. Select this lady and then click here. All right, so that you don't have to suffer to do this. Just use it and then you have it. Very, very easy. All right, let's get a shape in that I'm going to use. All right, so let's increase the radius. Okay, so this is what I'll be working with. Now I would like to center this. So relative position, center. All right, this is what we have here. Like I explained earlier, you have to crop your picture according to the shape you have. Now I would like to duplicate this into 3, or just copy it to 1. So I will get the other one from this one too. Now I have this. I would like to hide this one. All right, hide this one. This one is already at the center, so let's take it again. Sorry, position, center, no problem. The next thing I like to do is to go ahead and place the picture into the shape. So I'll go to the option called texture, select this, and then pick the picture. So for this, remember what we said before, that if you must get this right, you have to do what? Trim this according to the picture you have. So let's do it. So raise this. Whatever you are doing, any part you need, just make sure you trim it according to the shape you have. So don't make mistake. Okay? And this is what we have. And we notice that we have replicates. Okay? It's 2 inside. So go to texture again. You can arrange that, you can fix that by clicking here. Clicking on this plus icon, and let's click it again. And this is what we have. Alright, this is exactly what I need. So you do your own the way you want, no problem. And once you do it, you can either increase your image or reduce it. That is a sweet part. So okay, alright, this is very simple to achieve. Just get the shape right, just get the cropping right, and you are good to go. Then the next part is to start putting the text on it. Now I will want to create the inside shadow, and then on the picture, on the one you see earlier, which is here, so let's take it up. The one you see earlier, you see that this woman's head popped out. All right, her head popped out. So let's achieve that. Her head popped out. Let's go to edit, and then let's increase it a little bit. All right, let's proceed. Now I would like to replicate, copy this, because I'm not going to use that shape again because I've already made changes to it. So undo. I've already made changes to it, so there's no need for that. So I'm going to come here and go to the texture, and then remove the texture. Remove texture. I don't need it on this image again. And then I'll go ahead and go to what? Edit, and then change this one. I will change the color, but what I want to achieve is an inside shadow. All right, I want to achieve an inside shadow. Then for me to achieve that, I'm going to use this shape. I will go to fill, and then go to fill, and then come to gradient. All right, select this preset I have here, this preset I have, and then click OK. What I will do is I will do relative position, so I don't have to waste my time arranging it. Relative position, relative position. The same thing applies to this man. Relative position, relative position, relative position. And then we have the inside shadow. All right, that is how you can put the inside shadow. Now our image here, the head popped out from that, from this. So for this one, I'm going to use this one again, copy this, and then I'll go back to edit, and then remove the gradient. What I would like to use now is just color. Now I like to use a white color to do that, and this is it. All right, then what we would like to do again is I will come to this place, to the picture that has the shape. So let me hide this. I will go to the picture that has the shape, and then I will come to edit. All right, so this is not what I want to do. Let me keep this one by the side. Click on this one, and then go to edit. Let's continue. Go to the picture, and then I would like to change the fill color. Fill color. I will change the fill color to a color that is not on that lady's shirt, body, or anything concerning her. Do you get the concept now? So I will change this color in as much as this is a color for our background. Don't worry about that. So I'm going to erase the color on the shape itself. Let me show you something. Let me change the background to color. So this is the background, all right, so that you wouldn't be confused. Now I want to change the color, or I want to remove the background color here. Then I'll just have to go click the image. Remember, select the color that is not on the image you have inside your clipping or your PowerClip. So come to color eraser, enable this, and then pick the color that is here, and then pick color. Then the tolerance is too high, right? So let's do what? Let's reduce this, all right? And then smooth edges. So you increase this so that the edges will be what? Smooth. That is what we are doing, right? Smooth edges. Don't use it too much, just a little bit. And then you can see we still have that color on our hair. So whenever you are doing your own, make sure you get the color right. Now we change the background back, or before you change the background back, now let's do the final one. Now I would like to take this shape and put it behind. So drag from here to here and then keep it behind. Remember, we go to our position, go to position, where is it? Relative position, and then center. Now because we have this shape, we now have the option to do what? To come to this edit, and then let's arrange this again. So what I would like to do is to, I see what is going on there. So reduce this, bring it down a little bit, reduce this. This is how it was before. Reduce this, and then let's increase the radius because we have already tampered with it. Okay, and then this is what you have. And if you change the background to the color we have before, think we don't have any much problem. So let's go ahead and do this, and then this is it. You can still adjust it if you want. So that is it. Then the next thing that will come in is our inside shadow, which is this man here. And if you enable it, you see before, after, before, after, and then you get it right. If you can see, you will notice that this our white shape is still overlapping some more a little bit. So let's fix that. Let's go to position this time around, and then let's move it one, just one. That is it. Okay, we are good to go. Then you can start adding your text. Come here, add text, click on text. What we have is Sadi underscore 97, right? Sadi underscore 97. Keep it here, and then you can increase the size. So to change the fonts, come here, then go to fonts here, and then select the font you would like to use. I think let's use something. No one that can do it for you, just use it. There is no rule there. Alright, Saturday 97. Since we have black there, so let's change it to white. Right. All right, you can make it bold, so we are still on. Let's come here and then bold, make it bold, and I think you are good to go. The next thing we have is her milestone. So let's take this to the top and then let's view it. Her milestone plus 5861% gain. All right, Let's do it. Text. Take the plus 5861% space what? Capital letter. Gain. Alright, okay. After doing that, you click on OK. And this is going to be under this. It has to be very, very small. Alright. Then keep it here. You go to the color and change the color to light. So we have the color here already. Just click it. This is it. Can decide to increase this, right? And the next thing on this place, if you are following, you will see that we have copy. All right, that is the last thing there. All right, we are going to achieve that. How I'm going to get that copy icon is how you will see how I'm going to get it. So the first thing is to place the shape first. Come here and then get a shape. The shape doesn't have to be too big, so it has to be small. All right, and then this shape we have to be here. Okay, then radius to the highest, and then I have this, so arrange it. Okay, this, I think this is still very big. All right, so the next thing I like to do is to get the copy, and then let me write the copy first before we do the last part of it. Copy. Okay, take it to this place, and then the text color should be black. So we don't have black here. Can we have black? And that is it. So the font, I will have to change the font. So come here, select this. All right, can use this one, and then reduce it and keep it here. Now for the copy icon, if you look down here where my icon is, I would like to borrow this icon. How do I do that? I will just go ahead and do a screenshot. So I'll perform a screenshot. All right, then edit this from here. Oh, do a screenshot. So get this icon from here. Bring this down. And then, sorry. Right. So from here, I will just click download. Then I'll go to from gallery and then bring in this icon. I will trim it furthermore. Trim this. Alright. Then erase color. So I would like to remove that white background. So come here and then locate erase color. Erase color, enable this, and we like to increase the tolerance. Right. After increasing the tolerance, I would like to change the color because what we have there is black. So come to this place, color, click on it, enable this, and come down here and change it to black. And then here we have it. So we just reduce this and reduce it very, very well, and then keep it here. And that's it. Okay, still big. Big. All right. So that is it. All right. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. All right, drop it in the comment section. I'll answer it right away. And that is it for today's tutorial. So this is our inspiration, right? And then this is what we design. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.